Hey guys, how you doing? Happy New Year's first of all, wishing you all the best, plenty of pips and amazing moments of course with your family. Lots of smile and let's see what the new year has to bring and to offer. Today I'm going to share my first setup with you for this year. This time we're talking about pound cut, and during the holidays the pair actually managed, as you can see, to break out of the range we were trading previously. We do see the momentum, we do see everything required in order to confirm this breakout as a valid breakout and not a false break. And that means only one thing: we should be looking for pullbacks and buys. On the 4-hour chart, on the other hand, we can see a 5-leg structure. We can see the divergence at the end, which means this is most likely going to provide us with some corrections now, okay? And that means the ideal situation, of course, is ABCD, okay, double wave to the downside, which would bring the price approximately down to here. I know this is pound cut, and in pound cut that would be a quite huge range, which is approximately 150 points, but that would be technically the zone I will be looking for when the correction starts. Of course, we can draw levels as much as we want, okay, 38 down to 50 zone, even slightly lower down to 170 psychological level. That's perfectly fine, but the biggest thing for me here, okay, the best confirmation here would be the actual price action in the way this thing develops. So I really don't care what the level would be, okay, as long as we're keeping above the middle, as long as we start seeing the confirmations in terms of if we get hidden divergence, for example, if we get the double wave, of course, on the lower time frames, I will be looking to squeeze in this entry and look for the second leg of the 4-hour chart ABCD in order to identify smaller cycles here, okay, smaller waves that I will be then trading with a very high risk reward ratio, okay. So in other words, break out of this daily channel, look for pullbacks, and then attack buys whenever you get the signal around these zones. So that will be all. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to ask a question, please leave your comment below. Of course, don't forget to join us in our free Telegram group, for which you can find the link below in the description and the comments. And of course, again, Happy New Year's. Wishing you all the best, guys. Cheers.